this is Seana of the Seana Method, and I'm here with another quick tip for getting and staying organized, fall edition. Now is the time to pull out and get your calendar in order. So this is about your calendar. Now, it doesn't matter if you do a paper calendar or a digital calendar. What matters is that you plan a little time to get the whole fall and maybe beyond planned into your calendar now. So what am I talking about? Well, let's get all of the dates you know down in your calendar now. Of course, that includes holidays, maybe vacations, but let's also think about, let me get the back to school night on the calendar. Let me get all the dates for the games and practices into the calendar. Maybe your children have concerts or recitals. Let's put those in the calendar. If you have early dismissal days, let's get those in the calendar. Parent-teacher conferences, everything you know, get it into the calendar now. It will be so much easier when you flip ahead and come to planning maybe mid-November and you realize, oh, I already have in here that the kids are going to get out at 1 o'clock that day. Now, you've got all your dates, we log them all in, and people ask me a lot, what's the best kind of calendar for my family? And I say, everybody needs a family calendar. If you're a mom or a dad, you may have your own section or calendar that you keep for your personal appointments, but generally, it's nice if there's one place that family members can look to see what's happening. So they see, hey, can I go to so-and-so's house on Friday night? No, I can't because mom and dad are taking us to go visit grandma and grandpa. Now for little ones, I think that a large paper wall calendar works pretty well. Obviously for the bitty-bitties who can't read, you are the calendar. They don't even know what a calendar is. But as they start to get into lower elementary school, they might be able to look up and see a calendar with a color code and see all the green is me. So every time there's something green on the calendar, I know that's about me, right? So we can get down all of the activities that they do and see a big calendar. As kids get older, I find that most families are enjoying using a digital calendar, such as a Google Calendar. And all of the family members can have a different color and can enter their own items and also see what's going on with other people in the family. So use what works for you. There's no right or wrong. Each has its sort of pluses and minuses, but make sure everything's in there. And as soon as something comes on new, run over and add that in. And then lastly, in the fall, it's a good time to start now to think about your vacation and holiday plans. Are you going to go away for the winter holidays or travel for Thanksgiving? What about maybe a winter break? Do we need to be buying tickets for that? It helps to give some thought to those things now. Make your decisions so that you're not involved in sort of an emotional or a family struggle about who's going to be where at Christmas or what are we going to do for New Year's. Think about it now. Make it easier for your planning when you're ready to buy your tickets. So now's the time. Let's get those calendars out, get everything inside, and get ready to go for the fall.